I'd rather be lost at the lake than found at home. Which leads me to our new project. Jodi's new project, because Jodi needs something to do in North Carolina. Our floating cabin. This is a 1988 floating cabin that's in need of a lot of work. It needs some TLC. This is the day that we looked at the cabin, and we were shown around the cove to look at other cabins. There's a really cute cabin. You can see they have a dock next to them, attached to them. You can have your boat. The real beauty, the most beautiful cabin is this blue cabin right here we're looking at. That cabin was rebuilt last year, and it is gorgeous. They used blue metal roofing on the siding, and I'm pretty sure they extended the roof out, which I plan to do for ours. Look at the gray heron. That's a sign. Do it, Jodi, do it. We really like this cabin. It's really nice. So we hope to do something similar to this. These cabins are on the lake from when this is a TVA lake. They drain the lake, lower the lake in the fall, in the winter, and then in the spring they dam it up so that the water goes up. So you can see the water, all these cabins are all the way at the top of the water table here, where they're right in line with the trees. Right now, these cabins are all on the ground, because they've drained the water 30 feet. These cabins were moved into the cove, into the marina rather, where they're dry stored so that you can work on them. This cabin right here needs new floats. You can see those white floats. Those are two cabins that are joined, so two friends that get to hang out together, which is cool. Here's another cabin. This cabin is actually for sale. The people are selling it because, and the blue, oh, I just found out the blue one's for sale. So if you're interested, those are really nice. That blue one's gorgeous. Anyway, you can see you can have a motor on it. We don't need a motor on ours because we're not motoring it. You can add a little floating dock so you can have your boat and a place to hang out. There's 27 of these cabins in this marina. It's a cove, two coves, gorgeous. The view from the end of the down there straight ahead, if you look back behind me, that view is amazing. That's the view we're going to hopefully get. I have never been in such a beautiful place, honestly, as North Carolina lakes with the boat. So we're excited. So the only way to get to the cabin will be with a boat. They're completely off grid. There's no water, electric, or septic. We're gonna have solar or a generator. For water, we'll carry it in and carry it out. And same thing for our septic. We will have a cassette toilet or something, which is fine. We've been living this way for 2 years. So this actually isn't anything new. It's fine. We've been doing it, and it's okay. Here we are again, pulling up to the cabin. It's 33 feet long, and 13 feet wide. The cabin is actually 20 feet long by 9 feet wide. And like I said, it's a project piece. It's been neglected. It needs love. And it'll be fun for Mary Lou and I to work on. Here's the inside. You can see it's rough. Somebody's already taken all the plywood and stuff off. Like I said, it's in need of major work. So it'll be good for us, something good for us to do. Here's a few photographs. Just a few stills. Here we are on the lake going, really? Wow, we love this place. Look at the happy faces. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope that you guys are excited for us and can understand what we're doing. We're living the dream. I mean, really, this is even better than I could ever have imagined. So I'm grateful. So thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day. And stay tuned. I'll be posting the videos that we've been making over the last month. Bye.